Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Guys, my name look mad, but let's get ready together. I honestly don't know what to wear, but I just try to look for me. I look for right now is about 7:30. I'm gonna need to get ready by 9. Understand? So I'm gonna put on my wig, put on my outfit, my shoes and everything. Shoes are slippers. I don't know what I'm gonna wear, but I'm going to Dove all something like that in Bagwalk. So I don't know what to expect. We didn't really plan because it was from yesterday, that is January 1st, no January 2. So it was cancelled, so many really prepared that much. We say yeah, and everything just cancel. So let's get ready together, put some wig and put a little touch up, and let's get into the trip. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm trying something. I'll try something, guys. And let's know what is this. I don't know them people that are sitting here, you know.
And oh,
Jesus Christ. Wrong place, my spirit something. I don't know what me do to God. Guide me through this. Guys, I don't know what me do. Take up what me can't manage. I take up what me can't manage, you know, guys. Take up what me can't. I say, yeah, burn, man. Take up what me can't manage, guys. Okay, take up what me can't manage. Should I turn on the fan, you know? So you can dry. Guys, I don't know. I know some, I don't know. I think me on the right something. I think me on the right something. If you stick it now, yeah, man. Take us guys, not even no like no baby ear and uncle God say I know me late. We can't bother go for my blow dry like this. This must can. Guys, me just put it down because God no, I don't want. I know if it's stick, man. I feel like it'll lift up. And for the spray, then put it down. I not even know, guys. I not even know. For the spray it. Put it in the party, I'll lift up. I'm not like nothing there on my forehead. No, sir. Just in that time, something to spend by your hair. I'll fix that part there. Guys, when I like when nothing there to the palm me. My forehead and there, so nothing to the palm my forehead. I go spray there, so the part of face. Just spray it and put it them on. I don't know how this is sitting here lift up, so. How this is sitting here lift up, so guys. I honestly don't know how this is sitting here lift up, so. To lift up, guys. If I'm like me, I'm not do it right, something. To lift up. I'm going to put a cup on my camera, man. That's it, yeah, hard to stick door. Guys, I've got to practice this. I have to go practice this, guys. I like this, guys. Unless I'm too late to go to baby. I'm going to put on sitting around it. Baby ear. Your back. No, sir. Guys, what this me do? I have to go learn. Because I can't have wig and can't put on wig. I have, every time I got hairdresser, I don't have this bread and money there. Guys, I part of look stay down. I can't do baby ear. I cannot do baby ear, guys. Put this here, so. Everything about it put down in a. Guys, rate me little wig put on, no rate it for me. I put up my video. I not take out the part 10 at the learning process this. I not take out the part here. Should I have me something for tell them, guys, I just step and rush. But honestly, I'm not wearing it like this. I will put on my band over it. Band over it. I'm not wearing it like this. Put on a little sit over it. Guys, you still a lift right here, so still a lift up, man. Should I put, I see, I make it a lift up, so you know, should me not have this something there. Guys, watch the whole light a lift up. That's why I know I say good on, you know. Good on. This na my eye. I don't see it na my eye, son. Guys, this is not for me. Watch there. Oh, hey, good on. This is not for me, guys. Guys, this is not for me. This is not for me. Guys, I don't do my makeup now. Little makeup and this is here. But this one no say it go down yet. This one no say it a whirlpool. And I'm here there. Jesus. I don't know put up on here 24/7. I'm come here, I'm supposed to can go back to my natural state, my natural ear. I don't know put up on here sit here 24/7. There does me tell you say I'm gonna put on my something there. Well, 10 minutes. I put on this I sit here, guys. You would have me there ear. Me come on to my ear, come on like say me can't see. I feel like say me that there's somebody here. No, that do it properly. But my ear come like say nice. I'm gonna put on a banner. Coming out on a baby ear. Me really later. Maybe it takes time. Me can't do that.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I started to go.
So guys, I'm ready now. Oh my look, the headband right is okay now. Say I can't manage the wig situation with it and something. So guys, oh my look so far. Oh my look. Oh my look. Oh my look. Makeup can go on. Say back on it, guys. Back on it, yes. So yes.